Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Purple color, green color, black color, violet color, red color, dark blue color, yellow color, gray color, brown color, olive color, lime color, pink color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for arrow. B for birds. C for cow. D for door. E for ear. F for fox. G for goat. H for house. I for ink. J for jellyfish. K for kids. L for lotus. M for mango. N for nails. O for oil. P for pen. Q for queen. R for rain. S for school. T for tiger. U for universe. V for vulture. W for window. X for Xerox. Y for yak. Z for zero. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye. Hello guys. Let's learn some colors name. Yellow color, brown color, pink color, dark blue color, purple color, green color, red color, gray color, black color, olive color, lime color, violet color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D. A for ant. A for animals. B for butterfly. B for box. C for cake. C for coffee. D for duck. D for dress. E for ice. E for ear. F for fish. F for finger. G for goat. G for grapes. H for hand. H for house. I for iron. I for ink. J for jacket. J for juice. K for kids. K for king. L for lotus. L for lychee. M for moon. M for mango. N for nuts. N for nose. O for ox. O for oxygen. P for peacock. P for pencil. Q for quilt. Q for queen. R for rose. R for ring. S for school. S for sky. T for toy. T for tree. U for uniform. U for university. V for van. V for vanilla. W for wax. W for watch. X for xylophone. X for Xerox. Y for yogurt. Y for yum. Z for zero. Z for zipper. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.